Did you know that Democratic Republic of Congo is the world's richest country, but in actuality it is the world's poorest country? Well, allow me to request you to subscribe to this channel and please follow us on Pinterest and Facebook, and don't forget to check the website www.gofrockwith.site. Now, with DR Congo, there's fertile land, abundant natural resources such as coltan, diamond, gold, oil, diesel, petroleum, a lot of natural resources. In fact, it is the world's wealthiest country with resources, including fertile land. But we know the opposite of it. Everything is in the country. Unemployment, poverty, constant instability, poor feeding, or malnutrition, and several other things. So what is happening to DR? The main cause of poverty in DR and being ranked the world's number one among the poorest countries because of the continuous political instability. Now, how is that political instability being brought? The political instability is being brought by external conflict that try to influence resource extraction through diplomatic political instability by applying discrimination among the tribes in Congo, and also through formation of rebels to fight the government in Congo, and also several other foreign pressures that have led to instability. And there are those who go in there to deploy forces, but instead they go to steal or smuggle minerals. For example, on the 6th of February 2024, the Human Rights Watch, the United Nations Human Rights Watch, released the news that Democratic was robbed by Rwanda with several mills and even coltan, and also civilians were forcibly recruited into M23 rebel group. Now this kind of action is very pathetic. I don't know if that money is the one which was used to fund the Visit Rwanda project with Arsenal. And I don't know if that is true or if the deal released by Human Rights Watch or the claim is true. Then I think I must say a big shame to Rwandan government. So because being an African should just unite us instead of robbing each other. Look at the United States, look at the United Kingdom. There is little tension among themselves. Instead, they go to cause the instability elsewhere, separately. So, it is not nice that Congo is the poorest, yet they were supposed to be the richest. On the 17th of January 1961, Patrick Lumumba was murdered, and the truth was brought just in this 21st century to his family for burial. The wife, Patrice Pauline Pango Lumumba, which you are seeing in this photo, was mourning the husband bare-chested. The saddest part of this was Lumumba remains as the country's most loved president and the most clearly democratically elected president of all time in DR Congo. You don't have to investigate democracy. You can just see from the population cheering. So, please, Those who have any kind of business with deploying forces in DR Congo, think about how the future will be when all your evil activities are exposed. Thank you very much. Like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.
Dini kompiti kanina jua barja yoti ni kora nuo pundino kwero punyo ko dong ne kwero na lego